In modern interior design, the kitchen has evolved far beyond a place to cook. It has become a central hub of life, conversation, and creativity. Yet in today's fast-paced world, where simplicity and purpose are increasingly valued, minimalist kitchen design stands out as the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic grace. It proves that less can indeed be more, and that true beauty lies in thoughtful precision. A minimalist kitchen is not defined by emptiness, but by intention. Every line, surface, and detail is chosen to enhance both practicality and visual appeal. It is a place where form meets function, where elegance is expressed through simplicity, and where design serves daily life seamlessly. This video explores how to create a minimalist kitchen that embodies both functionality and beauty, turning simplicity into sophistication. 1. The philosophy behind minimalist kitchen design. At its core, minimalism is not about stripping things away. It's about refining them. The minimalist kitchen rejects clutter and excess, focusing instead on clarity, balance, and purpose. Every element in the space serves a function, and every function contributes to the aesthetic harmony. The result is a kitchen that feels calm, organized, and timeless, a retreat from the visual chaos of modern life. The beauty of minimalism lies not in absence, but in intentional presence. Each piece, whether a cabinet, countertop, or lighting fixture, is chosen with care and integrated seamlessly into the overall composition. 2. Functional foundations, designing for daily use. The first principle of a successful minimalist kitchen is functionality. Even the most beautiful space fails if it doesn't perform efficiently. Begin by optimizing the kitchen layout to create a natural workflow. The work triangle, connecting the sink, stove, and refrigerator, should be compact yet unobstructed. For small kitchens, linear or L-shaped layouts maximize movement without wasting space. Ample counter space is essential, even in a minimalist kitchen. Clear surfaces not only look elegant, but also enhance usability. Keep essential tools within reach, but hidden when not in use, through clever storage solutions like pull-out drawers, vertical racks, or integrated shelves. In a minimalist design, function dictates form. Every feature, from cabinetry to appliances, should contribute to effortless cooking, cleaning, and organization. 3. Simplicity is the source of beauty. In a minimalist kitchen, beauty emerges from simplicity. Clean lines, neutral tones, and uncluttered surfaces create an atmosphere of calm and order. Cabinets with flat panel doors or handleless designs emphasize linear continuity, while smooth surfaces reflect light to make the space feel larger and brighter. Neutral colors, white, beige, gray, or warm wood tones, form the ideal base for a timeless aesthetic. But simplicity doesn't mean monotony. The interplay of textures, such as matte cabinets against polished stone countertops or natural wood paired with sleek metal, adds depth and sophistication without clutter. In essence, minimalist beauty is subtle yet striking, drawing attention to craftsmanship, proportion, and balance rather than decoration. 4. Streamlined storage, the hidden power of organization. A minimalist kitchen must look effortless, but behind that simplicity lies smart, efficient storage. Hidden organization is the secret weapon that maintains both function and visual harmony. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets, deep drawers, and built-in shelving ensure that everything has a place. Concealed compartments keep everyday tools close but out of sight, preserving the clean look. Use drawer organizers, pull-out trays, and vertical dividers to optimize every inch of storage. Open shelving can be used sparingly to display only a few beautiful or meaningful items, perhaps ceramic dishes or glassware that complement the kitchen's aesthetic. By mastering organization, you maintain the minimalist principle of everything in its place, ensuring both convenience and serenity. 5. Integrated appliances for seamless design. In the minimalist kitchen, appliances are no longer standalone objects. They're part of the architectural composition. Integrated or built-in appliances provide a smooth, unified look that enhances both functionality and form. A refrigerator hidden behind matching cabinet panels, an induction cooktop flush with the countertop, or a dishwasher tucked beneath a continuous counter surface. All these details preserve visual continuity. Smaller, high-efficiency appliances ensure maximum performance without occupying excess space. When every element feels intentional, The kitchen flows effortlessly, combining practicality with minimalist sophistication. 6. The role of lighting. 4 meets ambience. Lighting is one of the most transformative elements in minimalist kitchen design. It not only enhances functionality, but also elevates the aesthetic experience. Layer your lighting thoughtfully. Ambient lighting provides overall brightness. Task lighting, such as under-cabinet LEDs, ensures precise illumination for cooking and prep areas. Accent lighting highlights architectural features or design focal points. Pendant lamps or recessed fixtures with clean, geometric forms complement the minimalist theme while adding visual interest. Natural light is equally vital. Maximize it through open windows, glass doors, or reflective finishes. In a minimalist kitchen, light becomes a design material itself, shaping space, mood, and beauty. 7. The material palette. Subtle luxury through texture. Minimalist kitchens celebrate materials in their purest forms. Instead of relying on heavy ornamentation, they use texture and tone to create quiet luxury. Natural materials, such as marble, granite, or solid wood, add warmth and authenticity. Pairing them with smooth, matte finishes or brushed metals creates contrast and tactile richness. Stainless steel counters bring a professional edge, while wood accents soften the space with organic warmth. The key is restraint. Limit your palette to 2 or 3 complementary materials for a balanced and cohesive appearance. When materials are chosen with care, they speak for themselves, showcasing beauty through honesty and simplicity. 8. Minimalist color harmony, calm and continuity. Color in a minimalist kitchen should enhance serenity, not dominate it. Soft neutrals form the foundation, allowing natural light and architectural lines to shine. White remains a classic choice, reflecting light and creating visual spaciousness. Warm beige, pale gray, or muted grayish tones introduce comfort and sophistication. 4. Depth. Accent with subtle shades like charcoal, sage, or navy, used sparingly for contrast. Continuity across surfaces, walls, cabinetry, and floors fosters a sense of unity. The result is a kitchen that feels peaceful, cohesive, and effortlessly elegant. 9. Balancing function with emotional warmth. One common misconception about minimalist kitchens is that they feel cold or impersonal. In truth, when designed thoughtfully, they radiate warmth through balance and emotion. Introduce warmth through natural textures, soft lighting, and personal touches, like a bowl of fresh fruit, a vase of flowers, or artisanal pottery. These subtle details humanize the space without breaking the minimalist flow. Function and beauty coexist here. A handcrafted cutting board is both useful and decorative. Open shelving displays essential items that double as art. The kitchen becomes a space that feels alive, simple yet soulful.